Welcome to Compare to Win. The Best Toolkit Kids is probably one of the most versatile and engaging educational toys available today, offering a fantastic way for children to develop crucial fine motor skills, problem-solving abilities, and a sense of accomplishment as they build and create. This kit provides a safe and stimulating environment for young minds to explore the world of tools and construction, fostering creativity and imagination through hands-on play. It's an investment in your child's cognitive and physical development, making learning an exciting adventure. Number 5. Learning Resources New Sprouts Fix-It My Very Own Tool Set. Little tools for big imaginary projects. Surprise your children with this toddler tool set, perfect for sparking creativity. Encourage imaginative play with toddler-safe tools made from durable, soft plastic. They are designed for little hands to explore and build. This set includes a saw, hammer, screwdriver, wrench, drill, and a handy toolbox. It has all the essentials for their first toolbox. Squeeze the drill and it makes realistic sounds. This adds an extra layer of engagement to their playtime adventures. Whether for holidays or birthdays, toys like this help discover new learning fun. It's a gift that keeps on giving. From fidget toys to puzzles, our educational toys make perfect Christmas gifts. This tool set is a fantastic addition to any stocking. What we like. This set is perfect for the youngest builders, aged 2 and up. It features soft, durable plastic tools that are safe for little hands. If you are looking for a first tool set that encourages imaginative play with fun sounds, this is a great choice. What people say. The toolkit includes a variety of tools like a hammer, screwdriver, wrench, and pliers, all made from durable plastic. The tools are child-sized and easy for little hands to grip and use, promoting fine motor skill development. It comes with a sturdy toolbox that keeps all the pieces organized and portable. Number 4. Melissa and Doug Take-Along Toolkit. Unleash your child's imagination with this 24-piece wooden toolbox play set. It's perfect for little builders to explore and create. This set includes everything they need to get started: wooden nails, screws, boards, and child-sized tools. They'll have a blast assembling and disassembling. Crafted from sturdy wooden construction, this toy is built to withstand hours of creative play. It's designed for durability and endless fun. It helps promote essential skills like hand-eye coordination, counting, sorting, and problem-solving. Watch them learn while they play. Looking for a great gift for preschoolers aged 3 to 6? This is the ideal choice for hands-on, screen-free playtime. It encourages creativity and learning. What we like. This wooden tool kit offers a classic, tactile building experience for preschoolers aged 3 to 6. It promotes essential developmental skills like hand-eye coordination and problem-solving. If you prefer a durable, screen-free option that fosters fine motor skills, this is an excellent pick. What people say. The kit is very complete and has all the necessary tools for a beginner. The tools are made of good quality plastic and are safe for children. It is a great educational toy that helps develop fine motor skills and creativity. Number 3. Kids Tool Set 48 PCS with Electronic Drill. This battery-powered drill comes with 3 interchangeable bits and makes realistic buzzing sounds. It even has a rotation button for left and right movement, making roleplay incredibly engaging. This all-in-one set includes a portable toolbox, an electronic drill, a hammer, screwdrivers, safety goggles, and various building pieces. It has everything a little carpenter needs for hours of creative construction. Crafted from premium, non-toxic plastic, these tools have no sharp edges and are perfectly sized for little hands. They are built tough for enthusiastic building sessions. The large-capacity storage case holds all 48 pieces neatly, encouraging tidiness. It also makes the set easy to carry anywhere adventure takes them. These toys promote early STEM skills, shape recognition, and hand-eye coordination. They boost creativity and confidence, turning children into proud little builders. What we like. This comprehensive 48-piece set is designed for kids aged 3 to 7, offering a realistic building experience with an electronic drill. It includes everything needed for creative construction and encourages STEM skills. If you want a feature-rich set with a portable case for easy cleanup and transport, this is the one. What people say. The kit is well organized and includes a good variety of tools for basic tasks. The tools are made of sturdy plastic and seem durable enough for a child's use. My son loves pretending to fix things with this set. The hammer and screwdriver are his favorites. Number 2. Aestd-ST Air Dry Clay 66 Colors. Discover a world of color with 66 vibrant shades of our air dry clay. It's perfect for little hands to mold, shape, and create anything they can imagine. With 66 colors and sculpting tools, kids can mix their own unique hues. This modeling clay offers hours of engaging fun and helps develop fine motor skills. Looking for a special gift? This soft, non-sticky modeling clay is easy to shape and brightly colored, sparking creativity. It's an ideal present for birthdays and holidays. Encourage your child's imagination and creativity with our 66 vibrant colors. It's a wonderful way to enhance hand-eye coordination and move away from electronic devices. Crafted from safe, gluten-free, and allergen-free materials, our modeling clay meets strict safety standards. It's recommended for children aged 3 and up, ensuring peace of mind for parents. Have questions or need assistance? Our dedicated customer service team is ready to support you throughout your purchase and usage experience. What we like. This is not a traditional toolkit, but a creative art set for kids aged 3 and up. It offers 66 vibrant colors of non-sticky, air-dry clay and sculpting tools. If your child loves to create and sculpt, and you're looking for a way to boost their creativity and color recognition away from screens, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This is a great starter toolkit for kids. It has a good variety of tools that are safe for little hands. The tools are made of durable plastic and are the perfect size for children to grip and use. My son loves this toolkit. He spends hours pretending to build and fix things with it. Number 1. Play 22 Kids Tool Set Bench 76 PC. Introducing a comprehensive 76-piece tool set designed to spark creativity and learning. This all-in-one workbench provides everything your child needs for imaginative building and repair projects. Equip your young handyman with realistic tools like a drill, hammer, screwdriver, and more. They can build, repair, and create with a wide variety of accessories included. This premium play set enhances motor skills, coordination, and imagination. It's the perfect educational toy for hours of creative indoor and outdoor play. Compact and lightweight, this toy workbench is designed for adventure. It easily travels to the park, beach, or backyard, letting your child be creative wherever they go. Meet all U.S. safety standards with non-toxic, BPA-free, and lead-free materials. This set offers realistic play with 78 pieces, perfect for boys and girls to carry their tools anywhere. Looking for a great birthday or holiday gift? This tool set is designed in the USA and is sure to provide endless entertainment and learning opportunities for toddlers and kids. What we like. This extensive 76-piece tool bench set is ideal for young children who love to build and repair. It includes a workbench, electronic drill, and a wide variety of accessories for imaginative play. If you're seeking a complete workshop experience that encourages motor skills and imagination, and is also portable for on-the-go fun, this set is a top contender. What people say. This toolkit is perfect for little hands, with tools that are appropriately sized and easy for children to grip and manipulate. The variety of tools included is impressive, offering a wide range of activities for imaginative play and skill development. The durable construction ensures that this toolkit can withstand rough play, making it a long-lasting investment for any child's toy collection. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.